Have you ever been driving your truck, cranking up your favorite song, only to feel disappointed because the bass just isn't there? The truth is, most factory sound systems in trucks can't deliver the deep, powerful low end that makes music really come alive. But here's the good news. Today I'm reviewing the top 5 best subwoofers for trucks that are designed to fix exactly that problem. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade, a space-saving underseat powered sub, or the absolute best in booming bass, this list has you covered. And trust me, you'll want to watch until the very end, because the number 1 pick delivers the kind of bass that will completely transform every ride. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more in-depth car audio reviews like this. And check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on all the subwoofers featured here. Also, let me know which subwoofer you think I may have missed out on this list for trucks. Starting our list at number 5 is the Pioneer A-Series TS-A2000LD2. This is an 8-inch shallow mount subwoofer that delivers a surprisingly big sound from a compact design. This sub packs up to 700 watts max power with a 250 watt RMS rating, making it strong enough to deliver deep punchy bass without overworking your truck's audio system. It's built with a single 2-ohm voice coil for simple wiring and efficient power handling. Its mica-reinforced paper cone combined with an elastic polymer surround ensures durability while maintaining accurate sound reproduction. Measuring just 2.625 inches in mounting depth, it's designed specifically for tight truck spaces where a traditional sub just won't fit. What makes the Pioneer TS-A2000LD2 stand out is its ability to produce rich, tight bass in places where you'd think a sub simply wouldn't work. If you're on a budget but still want that extra depth in your sound system, this is the best pick for you. It's ideal for truck owners who want a reliable, space-saving solution without breaking the bank, and it works perfectly for those who are just stepping into the world of aftermarket audio upgrades. The only shortcoming is that it won't shake your truck like a larger 10 or 12-inch sub, but given its price and size, it's absolutely worth it for the balance of affordability, compactness, and performance. At number 4 on our list is the Kicker Hideaway. It takes a different approach by combining the subwoofer and amplifier in one compact package. This 10-inch powered subwoofer delivers up to 180 watts RMS and 360 watts peak power, providing powerful bass without requiring a separate external amplifier. It features a slim aluminum enclosure that's only 3 inches tall, making it a perfect fit under most truck seats. The built-in 150-watt Class D amplifier ensures efficient performance while minimizing heat buildup, and it comes with a remote bass control so you can easily adjust levels on the go. With both high and low-level inputs, it's designed to integrate seamlessly into both factory and aftermarket audio systems. The standout quality of the Kicker Hideaway is its plug-and-play simplicity. You don't need to worry about matching amps or complex wiring setups. Everything you need for a bass upgrade is already built in. This makes it an excellent choice for truck owners who want powerful low-end sound but don't want to sacrifice storage space or invest in a complicated installation. It's perfect for drivers who prioritize convenience and want quick, reliable results. The only drawback is that since it's a powered unit, you won't get the same thunderous output as a big standalone sub and amp combo. But its clean, compact design and ease of use make it a clear winner in its category. The Orion Cobalt CDF12 is a 12-inch passive down-firing subwoofer that's built to push serious air while maintaining a slim profile. This beast boasts 500 watts RMS and up to 2,000 watts max power, making it one of the most powerful underseat subwoofers you can get for a truck. Its sealed low-profile enclosure is carefully engineered for airtight performance, which improves efficiency and minimizes distortion. The slim sealed box design means you can tuck it under your truck seat without compromising legroom or storage. It uses a polypropylene cone with a rubber surround for long-lasting durability, and the down-firing setup ensures that bass is dispersed evenly through the cabin for a deep, immersive experience. What sets the Orion Cobalt apart is its raw power combined with a design that still works in limited spaces. If you're a truck owner who doesn't just want bass but wants to feel it thumping through every part of the ride, this is the subwoofer for you. It's best for enthusiasts who want a balance of compact design and big output, making it a go-to choice for those who love bass-heavy music like hip-hop, EDM, or hard rock. The only shortcoming is that being a passive subwoofer, it requires an external amplifier, so you'll need to budget for that. Still, for the level of performance it delivers, it's more than worth the investment. The Skar Audio VS10D4 is a 10-inch shallow mount subwoofer that balances compact design with impressive power. It's rated at 500 watts RMS and 1000 watts max, giving you a serious punch without taking up too much space. Built with a dual 4-ohm voice coil, it offers versatile wiring options, so you can match it with your amplifier setup. The advanced fiber-reinforced paper cone with a high-roll foam surround ensures accurate bass reproduction while maintaining durability, and with a shallow mounting depth of just 4 inches, it fits easily in tight truck installs. Skar also designed this sub with a powerful ferrite magnet that enhances output while keeping distortion low, delivering clean and responsive bass. What makes the Skar VS10D4 stand out is its sweet spot between size, performance, and price. It's powerful enough to satisfy serious bass lovers, yet compact enough to fit in trucks where space is always a premium. This sub is best for drivers who want big bass, but still need to maintain usable cabin or storage space. It also works well for anyone who wants flexibility in wiring and future system upgrades. The only shortcoming is that while it's strong, it doesn't quite reach its shorter Disney's hard to the sheer output of a high-end 12-inch sub, but for what it offers in efficiency and clarity, it's a fantastic option and well deserving of the runner-up spot on this list. Taking the top spot, the SL602D2 12-inch slim shallow subwoofer is hands down the best overall choice for truck owners who want the ultimate bass experience. This subwoofer is rated at a massive 600 watts RMS with 1200 watts peak power, ensuring that your truck is filled with powerful, booming low-end sound. It features a dual 2-ohm voice coil for versatile wiring setups, allowing you to get the most out of your amplifier. The slim shallow design makes it a perfect fit for truck installations, where space is limited, yet it doesn't sacrifice performance. Its durable construction includes a heavy-duty cone and surround built to handle high excursion while maintaining consistent sound quality. What makes the SL612D2 the best overall is its ability to combine deep, resonant bass with a slim profile that actually works in trucks. You don't have to choose between space-saving design and heart-pounding performance. This subwoofer gives you both. It's ideal for truck owners who want the biggest bass possible without giving up interior room, and it's versatile enough for music lovers of all genres. Whether you listen to hip-hop, country, EDM, or classic rock, this subwoofer makes every track feel more alive. The only minor drawback is that its slim design can limit airflow compared to bulkier subs, but the sheer power and bass quality it delivers make it absolutely worth the top spot on this list. So there you have it, the top 5 best subwoofers for trucks that bring life, power, and depth to your driving experience. Whether you want an affordable starter like the Pioneer A-Series, a plug-and-play powered unit like the Kicker Hideaway, a monster like the Orion Cobalt, a well-balanced performer like the Skar Audio, or the unbeatable bass of the SL612D2, there's a perfect option here for every type of truck owner. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on my latest product breakdowns and comparisons. And remember, I've placed links to all the subwoofers featured in this video down in the description so you can find the best deals and upgrade your truck's sound system today. Also, let me know which subwoofer you think I may have missed out on this list for trucks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the music loud and the bass deep.